I love you, Paris. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye, Daddy.
Alright, let's go.
I love you, Paris.
Oh, Daddy.
Our daddy. It's your drink.
Mama.
Yay! Say thank you, mommy. Get daddy to open it, please.
Okay, Daddy.
Please? Say please.
Please. Please, Daddy.
Sorry.
Paris naughty. Yes, Paris naughty not saying please. Meron na yan siyang sariling bangko. Welcome back to our channel. It is a Monday afternoon. Kiwi. It is now 5:30 ng hapon, guys, and meron kaming mga plastic bags kasi mag-grocery shopping kami ni Inday Paris.
I love you.
Love you. Huy, anak, did you say bye-bye, Daddy?
Bye-bye, Daddy.
Bye-bye, Paris.
Oh, won't open now. That
I
one.
love you, Paris. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye, Daddy.
Alright, let's go.
I love you, Paris.
Oh, Daddy.
Our daddy. Sige na.
She's trying. Come on, Paris. You can come, Paris.
So your next, Mom and Daddy's talking what we're gonna get from the shop. Do you know what we're getting?
You got car.
Okay.
You got car. Watch out.
Okay, watch out. Thank you, honey. Okay, close. Now go down na. Go down. Yay! Good job! So, diba kahapon sabi ko na pupunta kami ng grocery shop, tapos hindi natuloy kasi, I don't know, I was being lazy. Kaya ngayon kami pupunta ni Paris. Shh! Shh! Anak! Anak, carry this one too, oh! Only one? Get in the car now?
Yes.
Yes.
My
Yeah. Open? Be a big girl, be. Kung kabalo na ba ka, be? Sakay na tayo, guys. You know the drill. Pag nandito tayo sa sasakyan, i-play natin yung Wild FM Iligan 103.1. Gustong-gusto ko talaga yan, guys. Mag-music tayo para maganda yung drive natin. So si Paris pala, guys, nakalabas na yan siya kaninang lunch break kasi sinama siya ng daddy niya nag-lunch break. Nag-ano lang sila, pumunta sila sa park ba, naglakad-lakad.
Mommy, they go shopping, please.
Yeah, we go shopping, please. Okay, we're going na lagi. Mama is Chica first. Okay, ready?
Ready, go.
Yay! At ngayon, dadalhin ko siya mag-grocery shopping kami para naman makalabas yung bata.
Push the red button.
Huh?
Push the red button.
Push the red button.
Okay.
Okay, did you poo-poo? No?
Oh, that button.
Okay, push the red button now so we can go.
Push the button.
Yeah, push. Do you know how to do it?
Alright. Oh, all done.
All done? All done?
No.
Okay, Mama, help me.
Go down.
Alright, there you go. See, hands
The
out.
parents come.
Hands out. Do you want to come with Mama to the shop?
Okay.
Okay. Are you excited?
Yes.
Yes.
They give me it.
Oh, no, she's gone. Come.
Call me down, Mama.
Yes, that way. Careful. Sige na. Dito kami sa Woolworths. What would you like to buy na?
Go down.
Huh?
Ooh.
Hold, Mama.
No.
Hold lang kang Mama kay there's cars manak.
Parents book.
Himala lagi baklay ka nak.
Put that.
Good girl. Go.
I think this tap.
Oh, God,
This is
yeah.
tap.
Ring, honey. This one. This one. Can you get one, please?
See that?
Yeah. No, this one. The orange one.
Mommy, help me.
This one. This one. There you go.
She's very cute.
Oh, thank you. Yeah, thank you, honey.
That apple.
Yeah, go, let's go. What would you like to do? Here.
I sit down
You
there,
put it there,
Maria.
We're gonna have steak for dinner. Put it down. Uy, wala ayo, lagi ibundak na. Magabaan ta na. Thank you. Come on, let's go. What else do you want?
Oh, apple.
We have apple lagi. Let's go. Prawn.
Oh,
Gabi? Prawn.
yum. It's fish.
They're prawns, Anak.
Oh,
We'll get one. Oh, 10 of them.
yummy come, mommy.
Yummy prawn?
Yes,
Wait a minute. Will you eat it?
yes.
Bantay bitaw ha?
It's fish.
It's fish.
Fish eating.
Fish eating.
Yes. Oh, go on the rat.
It's your drink.
Mama.
Yay! Say thank you, Mommy. Get Daddy to open it, please.
Okay, Daddy.
Please? Say please.
Please. Take nothing.
Sorry.
Paris naughty. Yes, Paris naughty not saying please.
Drink.
Drink. Wow.
Butter.
Strawberry, yummy. 6:20 na ng gabi, guys. And kakauwi lang namin. Bumili pala ako nito. Ang aking favorite na iced chocolate. Tapos yung kay Paris ay yung strawberry. Tastes so good. Anyways, ito na yung mga napamili namin. Again, hindi ko na isa-isahin kasi maboboard lang kayo ba? Pero ipapakita ko lang sa inyo yung binili ko for our dinner tonight. Ayan. Gusto ko sana salmon for tonight. Pero si Daddy Mike sabi niya, ayaw daw niya hindi daw niya feel yung fish for tonight. So, ito yung binili ko, guys. Yung steak for tonight. Ayan. So, isang ganito is $6. Ang dalawang binili ko. Ayan. Para isa kami ni Daddy Mike. Share lang namin si Paris. Meron akong dalawang bags dito. And mabuti yung pag-iisip ng atin nyo today kasi nagdala kami ng plastic bag para hindi na naman kami magbabayad ng 15 cents each bag. Andito ang aking resibo. Basta yung binayaran ko lahat sa mga pinamili ko tonight is total of $57.30. But kung napanood nyo yung last video ko, di ba sabi ko na may rewards ako na $10 from Woolworths. Kasi 'di ba, ganyan naman talaga kahit sa SM, sa mga shop sa Pilipinas, ganyan naman 'di ba, may mga rewards card. Tapos kung malaki na yung nabili mo, naiipon yung mga points, and then in this case sa akin, guys, meron siyang $10 na free para sa next na shopping, grocery shopping ko. Kaya yung binayaran ko in total is only $47.30. Diba, nakakatulong talaga kapag loyal ka. Kaya dapat loyal tayo, mga moms. And I'm very happy about the savings, guys. Kasi kahit magkano lang yan, kahit cents lang yan, or $1 at ito $10, very happy na talaga ako dyan. Kasi sino naman yung magbibigay sa'yo ngayon ng $10, diba? Yung $10 na to, na na-save ko, pwede ko na tong ilagay sa savings ni Baby Paris para sa kanyang kinabukasan. Si Baby Paris kasi, guys, very lucky yan siya na bata. Kasi meron na yan siyang sariling bangko. And I think naman siguro, mostly naman ngayon sa mga parents, meron ng mga iniipon para sa kanilang mga anak. Kay Paris kasi, ginawa namin siya ng bangko kasi yung grandparents niya, binibigyan siya na pera every time na pumupunta kami sa lola ni Mike. So yung lola tsaka lolo sa tuhod ni Paris, palagi nilang binibigyan si Paris ng $50 o $100, ganun. So nilalagay namin sa bangko ni Paris para naman tumubo ba siya, hindi namin siya ginagamit. And also pag may anong tawag ito, pag birthday ni Paris or Pasko or anything like that, or any occasions na mga ganun, palagi nilang binibigyan si Paris. Minabuti na namin na ilagay namin sa safe na lalagyan yung pera ni Paris para naman paglaki niya ay parang safe na yung kinabukasan niya ba, may pera siya. And also, Daddy Mike and I, kapag nagsisweldo kami, nilalagyan namin ng, anong tawag dito, yung savings namin para kay Paris. Meron talaga kaming portion ng sweldo namin na nilalagay namin sa bangko ni Paris. Kasi we want to get Paris her first new car pag pwede na siyang mag-drive when she's 18. You know what's very cute, guys? Si Daddy Mike. Ako kasi pag naglalagay ako ng savings for Paris, parang nilalagay ko lang na Paris savings, yung anong tawag dito, yung description ba? Paris savings, April, Paris savings, May, ganun-ganon. Pero kay Daddy Mike, guys, he is very creative. So yung nilalagay niya mga descriptions, guys, pag naglalagay siya ng pera, nilalagyan niya ng description na I love you, Paris. And then, the next month, naglagay na naman siya ng pera. May nilagay na naman siya na parang mga cute and very flowery words para kay Paris. Para daw pag one day, pag nakita na ni Paris yung account niya, makikita daw ni Paris kung gaano siya kamahal ng tatay niya. Super sweet lang talaga ni Mike. Anyways, guys, I'm just going to put everything in the pantry at saka sa fridge. Pero si Daddy Mike daw yung magluluto para sa amin tonight. So, si mami nyo ay magtutupi na lang ng mga damit. Para maubos na ang ating kailangang tupiin.
Bear.
Yeah, what are you watching?
Masha.
Masha and Bear. Tingnan nyo ang ating bata. Oh, naglunlong ng bread.
Mommy, here you go, Mommy.
Here you go. Give it to mommy, the other one, babe. Thank you. Thank you. Ito yung pinapanood niya, oh. Masha and Bear. Is that your favorite, Anak? Is Masha your friend?
That's in mouth.
Shush! Mura na yan siya correct, guys. Kasi alam na niya kung paano gumamit ng remote. Alam na niya kung paano i-skip yung ads, yung, i-change niya sa ibang, show. Anak, no? Are you very smart, Anak? Yes? Are you very smart? Naong sa bata. It's 7:30 ng gabi, guys, and naamoy ko na ang ating dinner. Daddy ay nagluluto na, pero ang ating baby girl, ayan pa, oh. Ang mga tutupiin ay nandun pa. Careful, anak. Check natin ang niluluto ni Daddy Mike sa kusina natin. Hello, Daddy.
Hello.
We're having steak for dinner. What are we having with the steak, Daddy?
Salad, vegetables for you.
Vegetables, okay.
I look like a handicap because you haven't given me any warning. As you can see, I'm wearing my favorite jumper.
Yeah, favorite jumper. Guys, how many times have you seen this jumper for this week? This is his new favorite jumper.
24/7.
Come, Mommy, see.
Okay, come on.
Come.
Okay. Paris, what's this one?
Pear.
It's a pear. What's the color of the pear?
Green.
It's green.
Now yellow.
It's not yellow, no? It's green.
Now gold.
Come on, get it na. Ito na yung dinner natin, guys. And steak and vegetables. And ayan yung sa akin. And then I'm just gonna share some vegetables with Paris. And hopefully, kakain siya. We'll see how it goes. Bon appetit! Mirror, mirror on the wall. Who's the fairest of them all?
No.
No. I-ready ko na si Paris for bed, guys. We're gonna go have... hindi pala bath. Huy! What's that? Iwawash lang namin ang kanyang face, tapos mag-toothbrush. And then that's it. Huy! Let's go na. Bath? Bathroom? Di, bath.
No.
Yung nong, oh. Where's your tongue? Yay! Taas lagi kay kag dila anak murakag kuan kikik. Can you sing Incy Wincy Spider for Mama na, please?
No.
The Incy
No,
Wincy.
mommy.
Why not?
ABC.
Oh, ABCD. Okay, ABCD. Sing na ABCD. Ang buhok nga gubot, murag gilayog. ABCD sa ba? A, B, C.
No, I
Okay,
can't.
okay. Sige na.
B, C, D, E, F, G, I, G, E, O, F,
I can't hear you na.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, Y,
Where's the mama ba?
Sika, Sika.
Mama's gonna get your nappy.
Press the room nappy too. Biggie Mouse.
Mickey Mouse?
Okay.
Okay, get the Mickey Mouse. Remember last time guys, yung pinabili niya sa daddy niya. Yung Mickey Mouse na na nappy. Ayan. And every time na change ko yung nappy niya, sinasabihan niya ako na Mickey Mouse. Mickey Mouse, get one. Manihapon sila guys. Oy, say hi to the vlog.
Hi guys! Good evening!
Si Mimi, og akong mother bills. Manihapon. Say sudaan.
Kuya guys! Oh. Hi!
Lauya?
Okay nga baboy.
Kalami.
Oh, tugwagan niyo mo eh. Napaya mo kung ba baboy. Kung pag-comment ang ina, iangat mong ba? Yung ba?
No, palaway-laway sila guys.
If you want sardinas din eh, sardinas up.
Na, daghan ako na dire.
Baboy, nag-info.
Maimo na tanan ma?
Oh! Saan? Nakangkeng rin eh.
Buyag kaya akong madrabels Nandito si Paris guys, nagbabasa ng kanyang libro sa harapan ng kanyang lola.
Hey, mommy.
Oh, Paris is working. Ay, shush! Is that your laptop?
That's working.
Paris is working daw, tito.
Virus is working. It's not touching.
No touching. Okay.
Oh. Welcome to my vlog.
Ay, pagkuanak. Luwag.
Starting of my artist vlog, guys. Thank you very much. Thank you for subscribing, for like, and click the notification bell and button like. Guys, please subscribe, like, and
Mak, klaro kay inyong kanmak na Klaro kay inyong kanmak. Ngalan sa tindahan. Sa luyo. Oh. Isin meat dealer. Guys, sa mga taga-Balingasag na nanaw sa atong video karon, kabalo na mo kung asa mo magpalit og karne.
Visit naman sa amang kanyan nga gamay guys.
Dong, may pa magtabang ka manirado dong, oh.
Salamat naman, te.
Ala, wala man tanawag ko di mong ate sa luyo, oh. Oh.
Salamat sa nagtabang ko og kanang pangwan sa mga utan, panakot. Nagtabang ko gahakot, gatutin mo. Maulan na.
Bantay bitaw. Okay, mommy's sleeping.
Right?
Okay. Thank you, Paris. I close my eyes. Okay. Don't make a noise, Paris. Mommy's sleeping.
I'm sleeping, my sleeping.
Mommy's sleeping.
Close your eyes.
Close your eyes. Close your eyes. So guys, tingnan nyo. Nilagyan niya ako ng blanket. Patulog niya daw ako.
Bye-bye.
Ala, nagbabay na siya sa tito nak. Isa na sa tito nak. Isa babay na. Oh, nanay na tito og lola ba?
Nana, Wawa.
There.
Tito. Nana, Tito. Nana, Wawa.
Si Nana at Lola.
Nana, wawa, nana, dito.
How about Tita?
Na, wawa, sita.
Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Tita.
Hi guys! It's now 9:30 ng gabi. Ang ating baby girl ay gising pa, oh. I gotta put her to sleep now kasi may childcare siya bukas. And make sure na maaga siyang gumising. Kapag kasi late yan siyang matulog, tapos maaga siyang gumigising, paiyak-iyak yan siya sa umaga. Sleep na ikaw, Nak?
No.
Mano ka karon. Anyways, maraming salamat na patuloy na supportan niyo sa ating channel. Super thank you talaga. Super thank you talaga sa lahat ng mga lovely comments niyo. Na-appreciate ko talaga kayong lahat. We're going to end the vlog here now kasi ipapatulog ko na ang ating baby girl. As usual, we're going to do a quick shout out. And the first one goes to Michelle Dalit, Lina de los Santos from Teresa Rizal, Kusha Basham, Amay Vargas, Arin Panorel, Super Paris, honey. Mama's gonna do a shout out. Mag-sleep na siya. Shout out to Catalina Mempin, Daya Magallanes, Lisan Bansil, Mavel Fernandez, Evert Suta 53, Rose Lumeran, Beverly Kayadan, Aubrey Don Takas-Takas Canyos from Balingasag sa Musilingan. Hello sa inyong tanan diha. Shout out to Magdalene's Cooking, Nita Orapa from Cebu City, Ray Rufin. Shout out to Che Ibunya, Cherry Salazar, All Things Chero, James Rudolph Pasinio Anuver, Be Smart Hair Care Services / Guy Enriquez. Just ignore ang ating baby girl sa likod, guys. So, very hyper. Shout out to Lilia Vibal, Brazil Tuayon, Anita Valdez, Rosemary La Rosa, Tess Arellano, Maylani Rasay. Shout out to Arlene Labadan, Vanji Terado, Aid Martinez, Mitch Agas, Dion Madridano, Mami Rose Sabalie, Arfi Tech, Jackie Shu, Riza Vlog, Chanda Sinilio. Shout out to Lelani Gilin, Rachel Ferrer Caragay Aquino, Shika Hani, Evie Lucky 13, Maria Zoila Llanos, Nida Lusaya from Quezon City, Evelyn Odtuhan, Jing De Asis, Sharon Ando, Medin Maraon, Dang Nicolas, Ana Damate, Lerma Cerizo, Viuli S, Mad Brat, Mary Ann de Guzman, Nini Jean, Josephine Simafranca Paraiso, Feli Ilamparo, Christine Bolina, Jennifer Galicia, Elsie Escubel, Evelyn Ramirez, Juan Green, Jake Cruz, Cherry May Anayo, Julian's Vlog, Kim Gabuya, Rosel Tan, PKB, Marilu Servana, Arian Joy Perez, Maria Rosel Sanchez, and Genia Dular. That's about it for today's video, guys. I hope that you enjoyed. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and also make sure to hit the subscribe button to be a part of this family. And make sure na i-hit nyo rin yung bell button, guys, para naman always kayong notified sa ating mga bagong videos. Come on na, say good night. Don't forget to be good, and if you can't, be careful. No. Hang on. Don't forget to be good, and if you can't, bye, guys.
Bye, guys.
Si Flying Kiss.